Hi, welcome to the FX Algo Trader Trendline Auto Trade demonstration. The objective of this presentation is to show traders how you can automatically configure trend lines to execute entry and exit trades based upon support and resistance levels. So I've got the auto trade module loaded here. It's set up for live trading and it will allow bidirectional trades, so long and short positions, and it has a range of inputs or parameters which we can specify for upper channel and lower channel thresholds around uptrends and downtrends. We can specify the trade direction, i.e. to trade bidirectionally or to just take long or short positions. We can specify the order interval time to stop the system from executing multiple trades when price action retests various support and resistance levels. We can also define a risk-reward ratio which is based around our stop-loss levels. We can also close longs on uptrend breaks and shorts on downtrend breaks, and define channel colours and arrow colours. Okay, let's show you how the system works in a bit more detail. Let's draw an uptrend on this chart, and we'll give the uptrend a name, up. So the system knows basically that this trend line is an uptrend, and the white arrows indicate the trend line is set up for bidirectional trading. You can see here that any time price action comes between the green dotted line, the upper channel, and the red trend line, a long trade will be executed, and you see down here the trade is designated by the system as TL, trend line, AT, auto trade, buy dip. It's specified the stop loss as the lower channel, just slightly outside the lower channel, I think 5 pips outside the lower channel, and the take profit level is 2, which is the risk reward ratio, times the distance between the entry price and the lower channel. So you can see here the red line up here represents our take profit. So our risk is between the entry price and the lower channel, and our take profit is twice that distance, so 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Let's show you what happens if we just gently, artificially move this line up to simulate a situation where price action would break through the lower channel. I'm just moving up gently now. Okay, we can see what's happened is as soon as the trend line was broken, a cross is actually marked on the trend line saying broken, and our long trade was closed automatically by the system, and immediately a short trade was executed with a comment TLAT, trendline auto trade, broken uptrend. Okay, so that's basically a simple example of how you can specify trend lines to automatically trade from charts. Obviously you can do all sorts of interesting setups. For example, you can trade in range bound conditions using both support and resistance, so an uptrend and a downtrend, and you can specify threshold levels to suit your particular trading plan. And obviously there's pretty much a whole range of different ways which you can actually trade. Anyway, if you have any questions, please email me at info@fxalgotrader.com.